Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I'm like a month and a half into my retirement. I told y'all after the Valentine, after the Super Bowl, after all this is over, I'm going to get on a regular cooking schedule that I can keep myself just like I'm going to work every day. But the great thing about it, if I want to veer off the schedule, if I don't want to do something one day, I can do it because I'm my own boss. So we starting this day off. You remember these about 2 months ago before I stopped them. Motivational menu idea. Monday motivational menu idea favorites or ideas. It's always something that's quick and easy that you can do on a Monday to start your week out. And this is one I did before, and you'll be seeing in the next couple of weeks. Some videos that I've done a long time ago, I'm doing again. The reason I am because a lot of the time, when I first started out, I'm going to tell y'all this story, maybe before the month is over, how my channel started and the ups and downs that I went through. But this is one, I just didn't have the lighting, didn't have the sound, didn't have nothing. So I'm redoing a lot of those videos. They're just so dark you can't see nothing to give a better quality. And this is one of them, my hamburger steak recipe. This thing is so easy. Something we grew up on. My mama used to cook all the time because she's cooked all up on the stove and the skillet. It don't take long at all. So let's get started, y'all. I got some 80-20 ground meat here. I'm going to put some breadcrumbs in it. Some eggs. It's kind of like making a meatloaf on top of the stove, kind of. A little similar. But it's a lot quicker. I got some chopped white onions in here. The Worcestershire sauce. You can put mushrooms in this, y'all. You can put lose my train of thought. Bell pepper. You can put celery. Okay, now I want to put me some cavernous seasoning in here. Hold on, y'all. Let me get my spoon out here. Cavernous, y'all know I like my cavernous Greek seasoning. And a little salt and pepper. Make sure you season it really, really good, y'all. Okay. Now I'm going to get my gloves on because these are the best right here. These are the best utensils God gave us. And I'm going to use gloves so I don't have to mess up my hands. My hands are clean, but I use gloves so I don't have to mess my hands up. So, what do y'all? Get in there with my hands here and take out your transgressions and your stress and kind of mix all this up in there. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, got it all mixed up there. Let it all go through your hands like that. Alright. Now, what we're going to do now, I'm going to get a plate out of here. Right here on the side. I'm going to form some little patties here. Try to make them all kind of the same size. First thing I do, I make the little patties first. And I go back trying to even them up as much as I can. These going to be some big hamburger steaks, y'all. Usually I get 6 out of here. See how many I got here in a second. Yeah, we got 6 here. Got one here a little smaller. Add this one on here. And that's it. Okay, now. Let me get my skillet up over here. Cut it on. Now all I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to just kind of form an oval. See that? Oval shape like this. You get them all in there. I mean, you know, onions ain't falling out like it is here. Here, just stuff it back in there. Now, normally, I wouldn't want raw onions in my meat like this. But this cooking in the skillet on top of the stove, it tends to cook a little bit better. So, see, you're going to make kind of oval like a football type shape. See that? That's a nice hamburger steak, y'all. That's where it is. Okay, I'm going to step off here, y'all, and do the rest. We're going to come back. I'm going to show you the next step when I sear them off in the kitchen. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. I got all my patties here. Now we're going to move over here to the skillet here. And we're going to sear these things off. I'm going to get a nice sear on both sides. I got my skillet hot here. Got a little oil in the bottom. I want to get them nice. Hope I can get them all in here, y'all. Hope I can get them all in here. There we go. Yeah, we're going to get a nice golden brown. It's going to take about 3 or 4 minutes on each side, y'all, to get them seared off really, really good. And after I get them seared off, we're going to take them out of here. We're going to make some nice onion gravy in here in the skillet. We're going to put them back in the skillet, in the gravy, cover it with a lid and let it simmer about 20 minutes. How easy is that, y'all? How easy is that? One skillet, one dish you're messing up today. That's what's great about motivational, Monday motivational menu favorites. Something quick, something easy, something simple. All you got to do is get your mashed potatoes. I got me some English cheese back there. I got some mashed potatoes over there. That's all I need, y'all. I'm good to go. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, it's time to kind of flip these over, y'all. See that color? See that nice golden brown color? That's what you want, y'all. Nice color on them. You want a nice sear on them. This one over here. Oh, yeah. This one over. One more here. There we go. There we go. Nice, pretty color on them. Good old hamburger steak. Don't get no better, don't get no easier than this, y'all. You can, like I say, you can put mushrooms in these. You can put green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, celery, and whatever. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to step off again here. And I'm going to let this other side cook off. And then I'm going to take them off. Then we're going to make our gravy right in that nice flavor that's in that skillet. See that nice oil in there, that flavor? We're going to cook our gravy right in there. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all, I'm going to get my plate here. We're going to take these out and put it on the plate. Right to the side. And see all that oil in there? I don't think I'm going to take any of that oil out because I need all that oil for the onions and the gravy. That way I ain't got to put no oil in there to make my gravy. I already got it. And that's just enough what I'm going to need. So I'm going to put my onions in here. Like I say, y'all, it look like a lot of oil, but you'll see here in a second, not much oil at all. Get my spoon here. We're going to kind of, what I need to do here, I want to caramelize these onions. Y'all know how I am when I do my gravy. I'm very specific about it, making a gravy. You got see all that flavor in the bottom of the skillet? That's nothing but flavor there. But I want to get all these onions completely, pretty much brown and caramelized. Then I'm going to add the flour to this. And then we're going to add our beef stock, which I'm going to use water and beef base. Get it a certain thickness. I'm going to add my hamburger steak back to this. And it is on in here, y'all. So anyway, y'all, I'll be back right back again. Okay, y'all, we back again here. Okay, see my onions here? Got a nice little brown color on them. Okay, y'all, now we're going to build a few. We got to make our gravy for this. I'm using clean flour today, y'all. Can you believe it? The dirty flour lady not be upset with me today. I'm using clean flour right out of my flour container here. So the flour lady is not going to be upset with me today. Okay, what we're going to do, y'all, we're going to easily, slowly put this flour in here. Definitely going to need a little bit more. And like I say, sometimes, y'all, I'll use roux in this too. Keep roux, but my roux is in the refrigerator and I didn't set it out in time. Sometimes you gotta let it get room temperature to work a little bit better, and I didn't, so this will work here just as well. So we're gonna get this here. Try to get a little color on it as well. So I hope everybody's week is starting out good. It's Monday, like I said, I'm back on my regular schedule here. And tomorrow we should have, on top of my head, the old school big breakfast should be Tuesdays. Wednesdays is nothing. Thursdays old school soul food deal of the week, or I'll do a road trip on Thursday for a video. Friday is going to be the TGIF fish segment of the week. It'll be some kind of fish, seafood, something like that. That'll be your Friday morning video. Saturday morning is back to old school soul food cake of the week or pie of the week. I got a good one coming up this week with the pies. I'm going to do 3 pies with one type of, I'm going to turn one thing into 3 pies. You can't miss this video. And then you got Sunday morning to be your Sunday menu favorite, Sunday dinner menu favorite idea. So yeah, I'm back on my schedule here. Like I say, some weeks may be different than others, but until then, I try to, and if you're watching this today on Monday, remember Monday is my YouTube Live now. I do YouTube Lives on Mondays every Monday now. So don't miss me at 5 p.m. Mondays. I'll be on live YouTube. Wednesday, you're watching this on Facebook. Facebook is going to be Fridays, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Not Eastern Time, Central Time. And then Instagram. My first time going live on Instagram will be on Fridays. So that's my schedule, y'all. And like I say, some days I might not stick to it. If I can, what they gonna do, fire me? Okay. Alright, y'all, I got this kind of blended in here, and now I'm gonna add try to get my consistency right. I guess if I get the right tool for the job, I'll be alright, won't I? I hate using the whip because it kind of splashes everywhere on my stove here. Let me turn it down a little. Alrighty. I definitely want a thick gravy, but I don't want it too thick. Okay. Now y'all know I love my Worcestershire sauce, aka American soy sauce. Get that mixed around in there. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna put my beef base in here. People ask where I get the beef base. You get in the supermarket, they have it in every supermarket I ever known have wet beef base in it. And it's not a special item. You go over there where they have the bases and the stocks and stuff, and you have beef base over there. I use the wet one because it has more flavor. Alrighty. And also changes a nice brown color. See that? Which I absolutely love. Alrighty. Now I'm going to put some salt and pepper in here. And I'm going to put some black pepper in here. Get this going around here. See that? I'm going to put a little bit more water in here, y'all. A little bit more. I said I don't want the gravy too thick, and I don't want it too thin. I got my peas back here trying to boil over on me. Alrighty. Let me taste my gravy. A little bit more salt and pepper. And that should do it, y'all. Now, see how quick they come together? Like I tell y'all, I'm very adamant. I'm going to keep telling y'all, stop buying them gravies in the packages. You don't know what's in it. This, you know exactly what's in it. They got all kinds of stuff in there. Artificial thickening agent, artificial coloring and all that. That's why a lot of people be sick and stuff a lot, because they don't know what they're putting in their food. That's why I'm very adamant about it. If you can, to make your own things, make your own gravies and stuff like that. So anyway, y'all, let me put these, put my steaks back in here. My hamburger steaks back in here. See there? Right back in there. We're going to cook these off because these are not completely ready. Remember, I only seared them off. We're going to cook these right on top of the stove. See that? Put that, that's flavor, y'all. Put that flavor back in there. I'm going to do here, I'm going to turn this down low. You want to turn your fire down low. Try to scoop some gravy up on top of there. And we're going to let this just cook right on top of the stove, y'all. I got my lid right here. I'm going to cover it. And let this do its thing for like 20 minutes, y'all. And we're going to come back. And I got some mashed potatoes over there and some peas. And we're going to have some good eating. So we'll be right back. Monday Motivational Menu favorites in the mix. Be right back. All right, y'all. We are back. Let me show you what we got here, y'all. Look at this goodness. Look at this. And another thing that I did, y'all, I flipped them over like this in the middle of the cooking process. You can always flip them to make sure they get cooked very evenly. Flip them over just like that. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But look at that nice gravy there. See that? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to step off. I'm going to plate me some up. Like I said, I got me some mashed potato. I got me some English peas, which I love. When I eat my mashed potato, I like to put my English peas in my mashed potatoes, y'all. That is some goodness. So, anyway, step off, and I'll come back here in just a second, and we're going to have, I mean, this is good. For this time of year, y'all, and when the winter time still going on, this is a nice, quick meal you can do on Mondays, y'all. It don't take that long at all. And you can serve it with white rice you want to, some pasta. You don't have to be macaroni. I mean, you don't have to eat macaroni and cheese. I heard some people eat it with that. You don't have to be mashed potatoes. Use the starch of your choice. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Look at this here, y'all. Thing is still hot. You can see the smoke. See that smoke coming off of there? Look at that. Got some nice creamy mashed potato. My favorite English peas and mashed potatoes. Amazing. And we're going to try this out, y'all. Look at this here. So tender. Some mashed potatoes, get some peas all at one bite. Yeah, give y'all the first bite. Look at that. It's a comfort meal right there. Nice and tender, juicy. Look at that. One more bite here. Look at that. Easy and simple, y'all. Simple, easy meal. You get no better than that, y'all. Look how juicy that steak is. See that? You know, I can see how juicy that is. That's what adding the breadcrumbs and the egg to it. Give it some structure. And the breadcrumbs gonna kind of expand a little and make it so juicy. But anyway, y'all, like I say, love to see y'all every Monday. If you're watching this, join me tonight, 5 p.m. Central Time. 5 p.m. Central Time on YouTube. I'll be doing YouTube Live for at least an hour. It's always nice. We've got nice people in the family. Just everybody come together, congregate, talk with me, talk amongst each other. It's amazing. That's another way I can bring people together. So anyway, y'all, if you like this video, please share, please subscribe, please comment. I read all comments. I will acknowledge all comments out of respect for y'all. Please follow my other social media account: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.